Hi, in this video we are going to get one element from the list using Stream API. So now first we create a one class user. Inside the user create a one ID and one string name. I add here setter getter method, generate setter getter method. On retry user has ID and name, and I create a one constructor, generate constructor, parameterize constructor, non-parameterize. Now second option is we take here one list, linked list. I add here user detail, add a linked list from util package. I add number of records 2, 3, Nilesh, Mayur. Now I want to retrieve only one element whose ID is 1. Now the optional user and user optional list filter, get ID equal to 1. Now here I add here condition, user optional if present, SOP, get ID. Now what we do in this program, first create a user DTO and implement getter setter method for access and setting the value, and inside the list I add the user information. Second step is using a list I add the condition in a filter, user ID must be matched with 1 and first record find in optional, and I check out in here optional user detail is present or not. If present, then I add information in a SOP, otherwise in else user not found exception I added here. Now I run this program. Now John is found in our list and I change here. Suppose I didn't 10th ID users information I want to get. Now I run this program and checking out user detail available in list or not. Now user not found in a list. So 10th ID of users is not available. So this way we can get a single element from the this using Stream API.